Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to use ElevenLabs for free and unlimited forever. Open a web browser on your PC or laptop. Search for temp mail and get a temporary email address. So this is our email address for a specific amount of time. We are going to copy it, and now we are going to create a new account on ElevenLabs. Click Sign Up and enter the temporary email address and a password. Verify the email address using the verification link sent to the temporary mailbox. Sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Complete the account setup by entering your name, date of birth, and other required information. Click Get Started to access the dashboard. Enter your text, select a voice, and click Generate Speech. If your credits are exhausted, create a new temporary email address and register a new account. On your PC, open the History section in ElevenLabs. Download the generated audio file from the History page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.